Please don't screw. This is one of the most difficult questions to answer, but you need to think very deep before you answer it, because life is somehow challenging and life is unpredictable. This is the question. Please listen attentively. If it happens that you are in the coma right now, who did you think that will be the next person sitting behind you? And when you wake up, you are going to see the person. Like, who did you think that is going to be the person sitting next behind you to watch over you during this period of time? Because life, as I said, is unpredictable. Anything can happen at any time and to anybody. So, is this person going to be your brother, your sister, your wifey, or your fiancé? Is it going to be an external person you don't even know? So in the comment section of this video, I want you to drop it there. If it is your brother, write my brother. If it's your sister, write my sister. If it is your fiancé, write my fiancé. And if it is your wifey, write my wifey. Because sometimes in life, those we think that will take care of us in difficult time, they might not be there for you. And that is just the truth about life. And do not think that anything happening now is new. Nothing is new, because even God said, everything on earth, like everything that is happening, nothing is new. All these things has been happening before. So, in the comment section of this video, just drop it. Who did you think that will be the person taking care of you if it happened that you are in the coma right now? This question is somehow technical, difficult to answer, but just go ahead and drop it there. Thank you very much for your time. If this is your first time on my channel, please do well to like, share, and follow. And if you don't have anyone that will take care of you, also drop it in the comment section that nobody. But remember that God is there with you, and God will take care of you, even in the absence of nobody. Even if your parents, your siblings, your wifey, your fiancé is not there with you in the hospital, God, your creator, is going to be with you. Your guidance angels are going to be with you there in the hospital to watch over you day and night. So God is not going to leave you alone, no matter what. No matter what happens, God will always be by your side, and your guidance angel will always be by your side, watching over you day and night. Because that's a promise. It's a promise that God gave you. Guardian angel is going to watch over you day and night. So do not worry about this if you don't have anybody watching over you. God will surely watch over you. Thank you.